Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Adobe Premiere Pro for video editing, complete guide step by step clearly. To get started with Adobe Premiere Pro, visit the official Adobe website. In the top right corner, click on the Sign In button. If you already have an Adobe ID, enter your credentials to log in. If you don't have an Adobe ID, select Create an account to set one up. Fill in the required details, including your email address and password. After creating your account, confirm your email to activate it. Once logged in, navigate to the Creative Cloud section on the website. Scroll down to find Adobe Premiere Pro among the list of applications. Click on the Premiere Pro icon to be directed to its product page. On the product page, you will see various subscription options. Choose the plan that best suits your video editing needs. Options typically include an individual plan, a business plan, or an educational discount. After selecting your plan, click on the Start Free Trial or Buy Now button. If you choose the free trial, you may be prompted to enter payment information. Fill in your payment details to start the trial. Review the terms and conditions before agreeing. Once your payment information is submitted, the download will begin. After the download is complete, locate the installation file on your computer. Double-click the installation file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen prompts to install Premiere Pro on your device. Once installed, open Adobe Premiere Pro from your applications. Sign in with your Adobe ID if prompted to do so. Congratulations, you're now ready to start editing videos with Adobe Premiere Pro. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.